Today, we're going to talk about drones. So you may have noticed that drones have become quite popular in the last couple years. A lot of hobbyists have been flying them recreationally. However, there's a way you can actually use drones to make a lot of money. And today in this video, we're going to talk about some of those career fields. So one of the primary uses for drones today is actually in real estate and home inspections. So we're next to this tower right here. It's not super tall, but I definitely wouldn't want to climb up to the top of that to go see what kind of shape the roof was in. So I can hire somebody with a drone to fly up there and look for me. Drones are also great for getting sports action photography and videography, because it's really hard to get some of these shots with a traditional camera. Here we're using it with disc golf discs, but you can do it for pretty much any sport, make a lot of money. This application is actually a life-saving one that's incredibly important. So they actually use drones a lot for search and rescue. It used to be in the old days, if I were to walk back there and get lost in the woods, they would have to bring a helicopter out to come find me, or they would have a team of dogs, or a lot of hikers to come out and check. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of money, and it's very slow. And a lot of times in survival situations, hours really matter. They want to find people as fast as they can. So now they can use drones to sweep a much larger area. They can even use thermal imaging cameras to help find people very quickly. So we didn't actually plan this, but while we were filming that sports action shot earlier with the disc golf disc, I completely lost my disc and looked around for about 10 minutes and couldn't find it. It took Bailey about 30 seconds with the drone to find it. This just goes to show it's a lot easier to see things from the air. So another use for drones is actually in agriculture. Now this isn't one that you would probably expect, but what they do is they take fixed wing drones with a bunch of different types of cameras on them. They'll fly them over a field just like this one, and they can actually make heat maps and give them to the farmers and show them exactly what they need to do to their field where. That's going to wrap up our video today, guys. Hopefully you learned something that you can use. And if you do want to do one of these career fields, you do need something called a Part 107 license through the FAA. Without this license, the only thing that you can do with a drone is have fun. So please don't try to do anything that makes money or post on your social media using drone footage, because you can get in big trouble. We at FutureMaker actually just got our Part 107 licenses through WSU Tech. It was a really awesome experience. We can actually leave a link in the description to their course, so you can go check that out. Until next time, I'm Levi from FutureMaker.